Uh-huh.
Yes.
And what do you like about Rishi?
He is the sweetest gentleman I've
Uh-huh.
Yes.
So
The
being
people-
gentle and still works. People say that you have to be rude to girls in order to.
Sometimes yes.
Sometimes you have to be rude.
Yes.
Okay. Shravani, how are you? What do you do?
Well, I just completed my college and I'm doing my internship for CRM.
Okay. And what is this phase of life like for you?
Well, you can say too many of ups and downs.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And what do you like about this time?
Oh, well, I'm enjoying the ups and downs.
Okay. So you are someone who embraces the chaos, right?
You can say that. Yeah.
And like, did you have to learn that, or you just always were the person who thrive in the chaos?
Well, you can say chaos comes to me and I'm.
And you just give it back.
Yes. Totally.
So you're a fighter?
You can say that.
What
Yeah.
do you love most about yourself?
Oh, the chaos is making me stronger day by day.
Uh-huh. And where do you want to see yourself in years to come?
Well, about the chaos.
Okay, to be rude.
Well, if I'm going wrong somewhere,
That's really nice for you to say that and accept that.
yeah, because if I'm going wrong somewhere, what he does, he tries to explain me once, twice, thrice, and if I'm getting grumpy, he has the right to get rude with me because even I'm getting grumpy with him.
Rude in the sense he gives you the reality check in the way that you would understand it, right?
Yes.
He would break through the rapport and
Yes.
just tell you to.
And that makes me more grumpy, but yes, I do like that about him. That
Yeah. And it takes. What do you like about Shravani?
She likes me a lot. She supports me a lot in every situation. Like, she's not like when I tell her anything or like any situation I'm going through, she gives me a way out of it.
She gives
She really suggests
by being there or by
being there, and she works on it.
since do you have a world out there?
well, if your partner is giving you a reality check, take it.
Take it.
Take it, yes, because they are not lying to you.
Place.
Yes.
Yeah.
You need to understand what your partner is telling you. You need to think on it and then you need to act on it accordingly in the right way.
Makes sense. Perfect. And what do you think of this conversation so far?
It made me happy today, thinking what he thinks of me and by telling myself what I think of him. So, yeah.
I wish you both all the best and thank you so much for giving me this time, right? Take care. Yes.